I only cleaned the car a few days ago, and then of course it rains, as it always does. But it's a great opportunity for me to see how Koch Chemie's S002 spray has worked on this paintwork. I use it on a lot of customers' cars. First time I've used it on mine. I'm just going to use normal hose, bit of a pre-wash, which I'll show you in a second, and see how it comes up. It's supposed to, well, I know it works, but I've not tried it on my car. So let's see how everything goes. So just after a rinse, reasonable beading, but I want to see how it holds up after a bit of a pre-wash has been applied to it. Will it stay on? Should do. Let's let that dry. So, the beading's certainly working. It's running off. How clean is the car? Just after a pre-wash. So, as you can see, it was a touchless wash. Yes, I know not everybody's got a blower, but I didn't want to touch it with a drying towel just to see how the paint came up without touching it at all. And it's come up pretty well. There's one little bit of a stain from a bird dropping on top of the roof, but what do I expect? I haven't touched it at all. There's really very little residue left. All of the dust and the dirt that's flown up from that recent rainstorm has come off. There was good beading, which I'm hoping we've managed to capture okay on the video. So it just goes to prove that it's worth saving yourself some time and effort. Go and get yourself one of these ceramic sealant sprays. You can find them from any auto part store now. And it will protect your paint and make it easier to clean. Hope it helps. Good luck.